If you're passionate about precision and accuracy in your ammo loads, having the right tools matters. In this guide, we'll help you find the best digital calipers for reloading to ensure flawless measurements every time you reload. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. HARDELL Digital Caliper. The HARDELL Digital Caliper stands out as an impressive tool for anyone in need of precise and reliable measurements, whether for professional use or home projects. Offering a substantial measuring range of 0 to 12 inches, 0 to 300 millimeters, it delivers accuracy down to plus or minus 0.02 millimeters or 0.001 inches, making it suitable for detailed work in mechanics, woodworking, jewelry making, and DIY applications. One of its best features is the ability to quickly switch between inches and millimeters with a simple button press, eliminating the hassle of manual conversions. Built from selected stainless steel, the caliper promises durability far beyond that of typical plastic models. Its knurled thumb roller and locking screw provide smooth, controlled movement and secure positioning, ensuring precise readings every time. Users will appreciate its form measuring capabilities, allowing for the measurement of inner and outer diameters, depth, and step sizes using 2 sets of jaws and a probe. The inclusion of a sturdy, pressure-resistant case makes it easy to store and transport without worrying about damage. Another standout is its large LCD display, offering clear, easy-to-read measurements at a glance, and an automatic shutoff function conserves battery life when not in use. The package also includes extra accessories like a ruler, screwdriver, and 2 batteries, providing added value and convenience. This makes it a highly versatile tool for anyone who needs precise measurement solutions in various settings. HARDELL's thoughtful note about the screwed-on battery cover during the upgrade testing phase also reflects the brand's commitment to quality and customer communication. Overall, this digital caliper is a reliable, well-built, and highly functional tool that delivers professional-grade performance in a compact and accessible package. Number 2. TENGYES Digital Caliper. The TENGYES Digital Caliper is a practical and highly precise measuring tool suitable for professionals and hobbyists alike. Available in 6, 8, and 12-inch models, this caliper offers an outstanding measurement range with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inches or 0.02 millimeters and a resolution of 0.0005 inches or 0.01 millimeters. It's a dependable tool for DIY projects, household tasks, and light engineering applications. One of its notable features is the 3-unit conversion option that allows users to toggle easily between inches, millimeters, and fractions. This flexibility makes it convenient for a wide range of measurement needs without requiring any manual calculations. The caliper's 4 measurement modes include external, internal, depth, and step measurement, utilizing 2 sets of jaws and a depth probe. The IP54 water and dust resistant rating ensures it's splash-proof and durable enough for workshop and garage conditions, standing up to occasional oil and dust exposure. Its stainless steel construction gives it a sturdy, long-lasting feel, while the knurled thumb roller and locking screw provide smooth operation and reliable positioning for accurate readings. The large high-contrast LCD display is another strong point, offering a clear readout even in less than ideal lighting conditions. An automatic shutoff function after 5 minutes of inactivity conserves battery life and adds to its overall efficiency. TENGYES also thoughtfully includes a spare button battery, ensuring users can get started right away without worrying about a weak or dead battery. Whether you're a carpenter, engineer, hobby machinist, or DIY enthusiast, this caliper delivers dependable, precise performance in a durable, user-friendly package. Its quality, ease of use, and practical features make it an excellent addition to any tool collection. Number 3. MUBYE Digital Caliper. The MUBYE Digital Caliper is a highly accurate and user-friendly measurement tool, ideal for anyone from hobbyists to professionals who require reliable, precise results. With a measuring range of 0 to 6 inches, 0 to 150 millimeters, this caliper delivers remarkable accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inches or 0.02 millimeters, making it suitable for detail-oriented projects. Like other top-tier digital calipers, it offers 3 measurement modes, inch, millimeter, and fractions that can be switched effortlessly with a single button, simplifying measurement tasks across different systems. The
caliper supports 4 measurement functions: outer diameter, inner diameter, depth, and step measurement, handled easily by its dual jaws and a depth probe. With a finely polished stainless steel frame, it ensures both durability and smooth operation. The knurled thumb roller and locking screw allow for precise control and secure positioning, ensuring accuracy at every reading. The IP54 rating provides protection against water splashes, dust, and oil, making it a durable companion for workshop, garage, and outdoor use. The large high-contrast LCD display displays measurements clearly, reducing the chance of error when reading small numbers. Another practical feature is the 5-minute auto-off function, which preserves battery life when the caliper isn't in use. MUBYE also includes a new button battery, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. Ideal for engineers, carpenters, 3D printing enthusiasts, and automotive technicians, this caliper offers professional-grade accuracy in a compact, easy-to-use package. Its balance of blend of precision, ease of use, and durable construction makes it a smart, reliable tool for measuring small components, crafting materials, and mechanical parts.
Number 4. HARDELL LCD Digital Caliper. The HARDELL LCD Digital Caliper combines professional-grade accuracy with user-friendly design, making it a valuable tool for craftsmen, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Featuring a measurement range of 0 to 200 millimeters, 0 to 8 inches, this digital caliper offers outstanding accuracy at plus or minus 0.02 millimeters or 0.001 inches and a resolution of 0.01 millimeters or 0.005 inches. Its thoughtful design includes a knurled thumb wheel for smooth, controlled operation, preventing slippage and ensuring steady, precise measurements every time. The large LCD screen is another standout feature, providing clear, easy-to-read results at a glance, even in bright sunlight or dim workspaces. It also excels in versatility with its 4 measurement functions: inner diameter, outer diameter, depth, and set measurements. This makes it perfect for tasks ranging from woodworking and metalworking to jewelry making and 3D printing. The zero setting function allows for incremental measurements at any position, adding further convenience for comparative measuring tasks. Number 5. STEAD Digital Caliper. The STEAD Digital Caliper is a precise, well-crafted measuring tool designed for accuracy, durability, and ease of use. It offers a measuring range of 0 to 6 inches, 0 to 150 millimeters, with a high accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters or 0.001 inches, and a resolution of 0.01 millimeters or 0.005 inches. Its strongest feature is its extra-large LCD screen, ensuring clear and effortless readings of length, caliber, depth, and diameter measurements. Users can easily switch between 3 units, millimeters, inches, and fractions by pressing a simple button, while 4 measurement modes cover length, inner and outer diameters, depth, and step measurements. Rather than requiring a screwdriver, a provided bevel pin opens the battery compartment, simplifying maintenance. A spare CR2302 battery is also included, so users can stay prepared. An auto power-off function conserves battery life by shutting down the device after 5 minutes of inactivity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.